Let us talk about RC2, which seems to be a difficult RC passage in the sense that the genre is political philosophy, but the language is slightly on the tougher side. So this should not have ideally been the first RC that you attempt in case you're not extremely comfortable with such RCs. Now, here we talk about two authors, basically two critiques in a way, Amin and Said. Primarily, we focus on Amin's work. Amin has tried to explore that what were the reasons behind European imperialism from a from the perspective of what was happening within Europe, the ideology of Europe. So it's more of an internal sort of an analysis where he talks about how European capitalism was in a way flawed and it actually justified this global predation of capital. So it looks at it from an internal perspective, while Said's view is what we call a post-colonialist view, which looks at how European imperialism emerged because of the European prejudice towards the non-Western people, those racist views that they held. So both of them analyze them from different angles. We focus more on Amin's angle in this RC passage, right? So this is what the RC is about, and the language, as I said, can be challenging at places, so you really needed to understand it. However, the questions, in case you've understood even the basic points of the RC, the questions are not very challenging. Let's have a look. Question 8. Which one of the following statements best describes what the passage is about? So the main idea question, right? Now, let's look at C and D. The flaws in European capitalism as exposed by Said and Amin. Only Amin did it, Said did not. Cultural flaws, only Said did it, Amin did not. Very easy to eliminate these two. The different approaches to Eurocentrism taken by Said and Amin, or the critique of European colonization by two formidable intellectuals. Now, the thing is that the approach that Said takes is more of a post-colonialist approach to European imperialism, to analyzing that why European imperialism happened. Said it happened because of their harmful portrayals of other cultures, other non-Western races. Amin's view is the Eurocentric view. His view is the Eurocentric approach, that it happened because of what Europe believed about itself, that it was the engine of everything. Okay, so basically we can say that it's Amin who focuses on Eurocentrism and Said who focuses on this post-colonialist view. So this cannot be the answer. The critique, yes, both of them are criticizing. They are criticizing European imperialism, and they are both intellectuals, as we can see from the language of the passage. So A is our answer. This could be tricky for you. Some of you could have found A and B confusing. So I would call it moderate or moderate to difficult for some of you.